Okay, welcome to the self-check 2.2 exercises video. So in section 2.2, we learned about the product or quotient rule to find a derivative of a function. So let's go ahead and apply those tools. So we have f of x equals x squared plus 7 times x squared minus 5. So here we have two functions multiplying each other, and we want to find the derivative of that. So when we have two functions multiplying each other, and we want to find a derivative, we're going to use a product rule. So remember that the product rule, that tool is f times g prime plus g times f prime. So then we go ahead and choose what our f and g's are. So typically the first one is f and the second one is g. And we go ahead and find what their derivatives are. So f is x squared plus 7. F prime is just a derivative of x squared plus 7, which is just 2x. G is x squared minus 5, and then g prime is a derivative of that. You write that a little better. G prime is just a derivative of that, which is just 2x, right? Power rule, drop that down, subtract 1, and then the constant goes away. Same thing here, you drop that down, subtract 1, and the constant goes away. So those are our derivatives. So now let's go ahead and put that back into our question. So using the product rule, right, using this guy right here, we're just going to put all of our components into that formula. So we get f, which is x squared plus 7 times g prime, which is 2x plus g, which is x squared minus 5 times f prime, which is 2x. All right, and so you could simplify a little bit if you like. If you left it like this, I'd be okay with that. But if you want to simplify a little more, it's okay. So, it's just distributing in these two x's. So this would be something like 2x cubed plus 14x plus 2x cubed minus 10x. And then if you simplify this out a little bit more, right, we have the 2x cubes, you have the 14x's. So this should become 4x cubed plus 4x, 14 minus 10. And then that is our derivative using the product rule. Okay, so that is using the product rule. Let's go ahead and use the quotient rule now. So here for f of x, we have 2x to the fifth plus 9 divided by x minus 7. And we have a function divided by a function, and we want to find the derivative of that. So when that happens, self-explanatory, we got to use a quotient rule to find that derivative. So quotient rule, if you recall, is g times f prime minus f times g prime all over g squared. Okay, so we got to find all our f primes and g prime. So what we have here, right, is f is always a top one, g is always a bottom one. So f is just going to be 2x to the fifth plus 9. And the derivative of that using the power rule is just going to be 10x to the fourth. All right. And g is x minus 7. So g prime, right? Imagine there's like a invisible 1 right here. So if we take a derivative of that, it's just going to be 1. The x just drops. Okay, so how do we handle this is we're just going to plug everything back into our quotient rule formula. So that means f prime of x equals g x minus 7 times f prime, which is 10x to the fourth, minus f, which is 2x to the fifth plus 9 times g prime, which is just 1, all over g squared, so x minus 7 squared. So we could simplify this out a little bit more, right? We can distribute in the 10x to the fourth. We can multiply the 1 right here. Excuse me, we can distribute in the -1 there. What we end up with is 10x to the fifth minus 70x to the fourth minus 2x to the fifth minus 9 all over x minus 7 squared. And so we have like two like terms, this 10 and this -2x to the fifth. So if we simplify that out, we get like 8x to the fifth minus 70x to the fourth minus 9 all over x minus 7 squared. And that's our answer. Okay, so as stated in the lectures, that if you would want to leave it like this, that's okay as well, as long as you have the correct setup. Okay, this is me just simplifying it just to clean some things up. But if you want to leave your final answer as something like this without simplifying, that's okay. But okay, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.